I have this stool, and somebody was sawing on it and put a cut through it. So what I'm going to do is show you an old trick I learned a long time ago. It's making your own wood putty. I have some interior wood glue, yellow stuff. Been using it for a long time, works great. I'm going to take a popsicle stick that I've split in half, get some glue on it, push that down into that saw cut. Yeah, actually my old neighbor, growing up in the old neighborhood, told me about this trick which he had learned in woodworking class in junior high. Oh gosh, it's been a long time. I was pretty fascinated when he told me. There's a ding down here too. I'm gonna fix that up. Oh, I'm gonna put this cover on the glue before I dump it. I'm an expert at doing that. What I want to do is get a rag. Wipe off this excess glue that's on the surface. There we go. And then I have just a 2x4 block with a piece of sandpaper on it. This is a piece of pine. I'm just going to make some sawdust, and really fine sawdust. And you want to use a wood that's close to the same color as what you're working on. And I've got some sawdust here. And then what I'm going to do is just going to pinch it, and I'm going to put it right on the glue. Push that down in there. You may have to do 2 applications if it kind of shrinks up. I didn't get the glue all the way down into that cut either. Oh, gravity may pull that glue down. Depends what you're doing. Try and get most of it off the surface. And let that dry. Here's where that saw cut was, and it's looking better, but I can still put my fingernail down on it. It shrunk up the glue, which I expected. So I'm gonna put some more glue in that cut. Away so don't dump it. Now sprinkle some more sawdust on there. I think I pulled that all out of that top part. Some more glue in there. Trying to do this so that I don't want to have to sand it. I might have to a little bit because there is a finish on here. That's why I'm being so snickety on trying to just get it in the cut, but may have to sand it anyway, so. I'll let that dry. This is dried for 24 hours. And now this tool does have polyurethane or some type of finish on it, but it's really beat up and things. So if it was really nice finish, I wouldn't sand this, but and if it was raw wood, no problem sanding. But I'm going to just take really fine sandpaper. Just clean that up a bit. Yeah, more on there than what I want. I'm going to try a chisel. Oops. Everything here is booby trapped. Have to be careful. Oh, there we go. And there, it's coming right off the places where the glue sawdust are at. As that finish is making the surface slippery. Real lightly sand that, not pushing down hard at all. And there's there's, so it's filled in. So if you had raw wood and there was a cut, you could sand that, and then if you're painting the surface, that cut would pretty much totally disappear. In this case, I'm not going to paint this. I'm going to just keep it the way it is, but I wanted to remove that cut, so. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe. Give a thumbs up and a like. And share it with your friends. Have a great day.